Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll go over the procedure for completing the pre-enrollment process for a master's degree at the University of Valencia. First, from the university's homepage, go to the Master's Studies section by clicking on the Postgraduate Courses tab, and then select Official Master's Degrees from the main menu. In the side menu, you will find all the relevant information. By selecting the option Official Master's Degrees Offered, you can access the full list of available programs. Each master's degree has its own information sheet where you can view all details. The Access and Admissions tab includes the entry requirements and the specific documents that must be submitted. By clicking on Pre-enrollment Admission, the drop-down tabs will provide all the necessary information to carry out the pre-enrollment process. Read the instructions carefully and prepare the documents required. Next, go to the Application Form tab. If you have never been enrolled at the University of Valencia and do not have a username and password, you must first obtain your credentials. Here is a separate tutorial to guide you through generating your UV credentials. Once you have your credentials, you can proceed with the pre-enrollment process. To access the application form, click on the link or on Form. You will first see the Responsible Declaration and the Data Protection Policy, which must be accepted and saved to continue. Next, click on Access to the registration process and select the call for applications for official master's degrees. A new window will open where you will have to enter your personal details. Then, click on the Next button. On the next screen, you can select the master's degrees you will wish to apply for. When you click on Add a Program, a drop-down list will open with all the master's degrees available. You can also enter the name in the search field to find it more quickly. The selected options will be loaded on the screen. Afterwards, you will be able to rearrange them in order of preference, remove them, or add new ones. You may select up to 3 degrees and, where applicable, up to 3 specializations per master's degree. Places will be allocated according to the order of preference indicated. Once you have made your selections, click on Next. Next, you must upload the required documents according to the instructions provided on the website. You don't need to attach files in every section, only in those that are mandatory for admission and those specific to each master's degree. Check the admission criteria in each program's information sheet. In the Actions column, select the plus sign and then drag and drop or browse to upload the relevant file and click on Attach. The file name will then appear in the File Name column. Repeat this step for all required documents and finally click on Next. Now access the master's degree form and click on Answer. A form will open with questions regarding your current qualifications. Once you have answered all the questions, save and proceed by clicking on Next. On the final screen, a summary of your application will be shown. Before confirming, you can still go back by clicking on Previous, make any necessary changes, and then move forward again. Make sure to click on Confirm Registration for your application to be recorded. You'll see a message indicating that the process is complete. You'll have the option to download a receipt and request confirmation by email. Finally, click on Finish Application to exit the platform.